Hello guys, today I'll show you how to install our third-person cover shooter in Unity 2019.1. So you can see I installed it and it works, but you need to do some little changes. I found the solution in this forum. It's over here. So it's how a new version of Unity opens packages. So what you need to do is basically go to help and reset package to default. So and also change over here, edit project settings, and then go to the player and change to .NET 4.x. Before it was 3.5, and it will work. So let's try to do on the new project. Let's open up and let's create a new. New test. Okay, and let's create a project. I'll speed up now because it takes lots of time to import all the assets. So Unity, they import the pack. What I can do now, I upload this to and I hope will be no with this package.